Okay, so in this assignment, for the practice problems, it's going to go with your composition and synthesis reaction notes. Okay, so as I work through these, make sure you double check your work. Okay, so the symbol for calcium is Ca. Symbol for oxygen is O2. Now, a metal plus oxygen is going to give you a metallic oxide. So Ca has a +2 charge, oxygen has a -2 charge. There's no need to crisscross because they're equal and opposites. Okay, so 2 oxygens on this side, I need to get 2 oxygens on this side. 2 Cas, 2 Cas, and it'll be balanced. Next one, a metal plus a nonmetal gives you an ionic compound. So copper plus sulfur. Now, copper, it tells you has a +2 charge in this case. Sulfur has a -2 charge. We go to look and see if it crisscrosses. They're equal and opposite charges, so there's no need to crisscross. Now, you don't write copper 2 in this right here because it only matters whenever you make a compound out of it. Okay? Calcium oxide plus water. So calcium has a +2 charge, oxygen has a -2 charge. No need to crisscross because they're equal and opposites. Plus water is H2O. And I'm going to go to my notes. A metallic oxide plus water gives you a metallic hydroxide. So calcium's the metal in this case. Hydroxide is OH with a -1 charge. So we go to crisscross. Bring the 2 down there. So we got 2 O's, 2 O's, 2 H's, 2 H's, 1 Ca, 1 Ca. It's balanced. Symbol for silver is Ag. Symbol for sulfur is S. Silver has a +1 charge always. Sulfur has a -2 charge. And we crisscross and we get that. Now we got to make sure we balance. You got 2 Ags on this side. I'm going to put 2 Ags on this side. 1 sulfur, 1 sulfur. And it should be balanced. Chromium. Symbol for chromium is Cr. Symbol for oxygen is O2. Now, it's chromium 3, so we're going to put a +3 charge. Oxygen, oxide, whenever you take a metal plus oxygen, it's going to give you a metallic oxide. So oxygen's charge is a -2. Now, we're going to crisscross, and we're going to bring this down here and this down here. And then balance. So you got 2 oxygens on this side, 3 oxygens on this side. The least common multiple between 2 and 3 is 6. Okay, so you need to put a 3 right here and a 2 right there. This changes your chromiums to 4. I'm going to put 4 chromiums right there, and it's balanced. Aluminum is Al. Bromine is Br2. It's a diatomic molecule, so you have to make sure you put Br2. A metal plus a nonmetal gives you an ionic compound. So Al, Br. Aluminum has a +3 charge. Bromine has a -1 charge. So we crisscross like that. Now, we got to balance. So we have 2 bromines on this side, 3 on this side. So least common multiple between 2 and 3 is 6. So we write a 3 here and a 2 here. That changes our aluminums to 2. Okay, last 2. Symbol for sodium is Na. Symbol for iodine is I2 because it's a diatomic molecule. Okay, so a metal plus a nonmetal gives you an ionic compound. Sodium has a +1 charge. Iodine has a -1 charge. No need to crisscross because they're equal and opposite charges. So I have 2 I's on this side. I need to get 2 I's on this side. 2 NAs, 2 NAs. It'll be balanced. Okay, last homework problem. So rubidium is Rb. Has a +1 charge. Oxide is O with a -2 charge. We crisscross. Plus water is H2O. Okay, so a metallic oxide plus water gives you a metallic hydroxide. So it's Rb and OH. Now, Rb has a +1 charge, hydroxide has a -1 charge. so there's no need to crisscross. And then we go through and balance. 2 RBs, 2 RBs, 2 oxygens, 2 oxygens, 2 hydrogens, 2 hydrogens. So it should be balanced. Hopefully this video helped you work through the homework questions, and if you have any other concerns, please feel free to email me or give me a phone call. Thanks. Bye.